abagai jotomona sanai chini youth YTF ni statement apa clear atang chini statement tongai 96 ni hour ho jodi kuno khaya khage next into sarati price tiger na chance tong so mon bagai ching clear message namo sungo hoba o dm na datine immediately nori tang thangdi katal dm de phaidi jeng o sara gundi sio dare kaham diploma khane bagai che jeng o dm na mano nai so 96 hour ni bisan nori angke next time o sarati price tiger na bagai 100 to 100 chance tong amar jang state ni former secretary ngi YTF ngi ang apun clear message nai jeng mota dm na jeng nangya jeng development khaja ya dm jeng nang ka je bro public servant ni bagi bo khaja kaisa bo UPSC exam kaisa first class ni rank ni kaisa sara India ni top class ni officer nga IAS ngo but bina IAS je kota sabah secretary kota tamo home minister tongo but secretary and home minister CM samang sa bo ka karan anytime jori man ke bini se tola sadan DM borok se tintang jorare mi anga so bini thani wa abo e tipra CM no thobok nai bini thani kaisa bini o tan bagi bodi jon malai meya o DM jono uttor nang thang tamni karang malai meya uttor nang thang ebong at least Cox gomalane jora gripona 1 second jora phone khaye at least angkhya tino busy tongo khana ksamalane at least am jora sarnango bindu 700 132.56 kilometer ADC area tuidu thongai chini borong garang TDC sar CM Purno Chandra Jomatia te TDC ni advance chairman borong garang Porto Kishu Development chini buba garana chini borong dia mantama sara chini ADC area ni jara tui phang tongai tini executive jara public representative final chini response dia mane bo party representative bo borong dia mane bokuno develop naya abagi chumotha dia na chenaya mo clear message abagi ang former state secretary ngi toponder mo mo bognai immediately di prasarkar mono or dia nori kata dia tu ambai thank you